So, good morning. This is teacher Jacob. This video is for 8th grade and it's gonna be about reading class. Remember, these videos are going to be like helping. These videos are going to be like an extra help to you, and then you can complete the pages and complete the unit. Today it's May 22, okay, 2020 or 2020. So necessary in your notebook, write the date, May 22nd, and the year 2020 or 2020. Okay, that's what you need to do. Then you need to write the topic. The topic for today is reading class. It's going to be page 46. So you're gonna read and you're gonna understand this. So something else I need you to understand, and I know you, majority of you already know, that when we start reading something, especially in English, it's mandatory to have vocabulary. So that's why before, the last videos, I said to you that it's mandatory to look for the unknown words and copy on your notebook and translate them and memorize. If you want to understand, or if you want to understand reading comprehension, it is mandatory to have vocabulary. Remember, when you read in English, you are doing like a two activities, okay? Because reading, it's not only to have vocabulary, because perhaps you got vocabulary, but you need now to have how to pronounce. So you are doing like connections between the words and connect with the sounds, because in English we pronounce completely different than what we are writing. I mean, when we write a word, but we pronounce different to the word that we write. So what I need it's a complete book, and you do some exercise for me. What is this? We're gonna read this very slow, because imagine we are going to learn how to read in English. So we're gonna do some exercises very slow. Perhaps you can understand pretty well the pronunciation, and then you can do it by yourself. So remember, something very simple and something very nice for you to help you how to pronounce correctly and how to say it's just reading. Okay, so reading is very important. If you read in English, you are going to practice your English. You're gonna learn new vocabulary. You're gonna practice your grammar. You're gonna practice your comprehension, of course, and you're gonna practice your listening skill, especially if you have audio. So audio, it's possible because you read and then you listen at the same time. So reading is one of the best options for increasing the new language. It's one of the best options for reviewing, revising, review the language that you are learning, review spelling, and then you practicing and you remembering and so on. Reading, it's spectacular. In other words, if you don't read in English, it's gonna be impossible for you to understand. So let's go to the book. Let's go what you need to do. I need activity 1 is you're gonna listen and you're gonna read mentally. Remember something else. Remember these videos and this, especially this. Please don't send me video evidence. Evidences are going to for the next bimester. Nevertheless, today is May 22nd, 2020, and this is what I want you to do it, because next bimester you need to show me what you did. So you have to do this. So first you need to write with a pencil, or pencil is possible because you don't destroy the book, or you can use pen and then you write the date. So you write May 22nd, 2020 or 2020 here or here. It's possible here. If you want, you can write here and no problem, or here the date. Okay, and then you later, perhaps in next month, June, July, you can show me the evidence. Say, teacher, we did this and this date. Or there is another option. You can write the date, May 22nd, on your notebook. So you write here May 22nd and 2020, and the topic for today is reading comprehension, reading class. Okay? So let's go to the point. So let's go to the book. So this is the book. So this is page 46. We are gonna read this, reading very slow. Activity 1, you're gonna read mentally, okay? So you're gonna listen to me and then you're going to read mentally. Remember, if you don't understand how to pronounce, you can do pause. You can put pause on your screen and then repeat and repeat, because perhaps sometimes it's boring, it's complicated to understand when the teacher is explaining, or perhaps you need time. Whatever you need, just making pause, and that's all. Let me do one moment, pause. So you see, pause, and then we continue. So let's go to the book. So reading, I receive. This is the title. So activity 1, you're gonna listen and then you're gonna read with me mentally. I receive 1. So you're gonna do activity 1, activity 2, 3, and 4. Okay? So let's go with activity 1. Work in pairs. Look at the pictures. Look at the pictures in the magazine and say, what fruits do you like to eat? So for example, in this exercise, in this point, exercise 1, you can write on the book. For example, you say this, you write the names. Or you can write on your notebook, you can write the fruits. For example, banana, pineapple, and so on. So you write the date, May 22nd and 2020, and reading activity 1, fruits. So you say bananas, pineapple, carrots, and so on, juice. Okay? Or you can write here, no problem. Okay? So there are 2 options, 1 on the book or 1 on your notebook. Okay? You take the decision. 2. Activity 2. Complete the review with the questions. So you need to complete. So you have to answer, okay? Do you have a specific recipe? So you tell me, okay? You write there, or I insist you can write on your notebook too. So there are 2 options. So number 1, so listen. Do you have a specific recipe? Answer, yes or not. How many vegetables should I use? Okay? How much fruit is there in a smoothie? A smoothie is like a special recipe or a cake. D, is it difficult to make? So tell me, is it difficult? No, no, it's not. Okay, no problem. So according to you, you have to answer. Okay? Right. And 3, look at the receipt and answer the questions. How many oranges do you need? So according to the reading, so you're gonna complete. Okay? B, how much water do you need? You're gonna listen and read, and then you complete. Exercise 3. C, how many cups of strawberries do you need? Right, you write the number. And 4, working parrots and discuss the questions. 1 or A, do you like recipes? Why or why not? B, which ingredients would you put in your favorite smoothie? All right, like a special dessert that you like it. So activity 2, remember with this reading you have to complete number 3 and 4, okay? Because 1 and 2 is just for you individually. So let's go. Listen and read mentally. 1, 2, 3. Healthy food. Your question answered. Today's recipe, the smoothie. What's a smoothie? A smoothie, it's a drink, it's a fun way to add fruits and vegetables to your diet. So what it means? A smooth is a drink. Listen, it's a smooth is a drink. It's a fun way to add fruit and vegetables to your diet. Remember here we need to make a question, okay? Question. So you need to write the question, okay? No, it's not easy. For example, the question could be, it is easy to make, or it is easy to make a smoothie. No, it's not really easy. There aren't any complicated ingredients. All you need is a blender, some fruits and vegetables, and some water. You don't need much water. Okay? Now, another question. Do a lot of people like this smoothie? It depends. I like a lot. I use banana and mango or an apple to start. Then I add some juicy fruit like oranges, pineapples, strawberries, or grapes. Do next. Do you need a lot of vegetables? Not many. You don't need many vegetables. Just use some fresh lettuce and carrots. That's all. You see, very simple, very slow. Pause and repeat the pronunciation. I just want is connection. The last one. Can I see a receipt? Can I see a receipt? Here's a receipt for orange, strawberry, and banana smoothie. You don't need many oranges or bananas, right? Now, let's go to this part, the green part. Listen and read. Orange, strawberry, and banana smooth. Serve 2. Ingredients: 2 cups strawberries, fresh or frozen, 2 oranges, 2 bananas, 2 carrots, half cup of water. What do you do? What to do. Wash the fruits and chop into small pieces. Blend the strawberries, oranges, and bananas with the water. Then add the carrots and blend the mixture until smooth. Enjoy! How to prepare? You see, this reading is not complicated. Definitely, it is very simple, and it's not gonna be difficult for you to understand this. So, suggestion. What I need you to do is this. You have to listen to me. First, complete exercise 1, 2, 3, and 4 on your notebook or on the book. Okay? 2, you are going to write, or you're going to create, to make a receipt. Okay? About what? About you take the decision, what do you want to cook or to make a receipt. Okay? Not necessary technical receipt. Just what you do in your house. For example, how do you cook a lunch? How do you prepare breakfast? So this is my breakfast, and then you tell me how you do it. Okay? That's what I want you to do it. So you need to first write the recipe that you're gonna prepare. For example, I'm gonna do my breakfast. So I'm gonna try to, put some ingredients, fruits, vegetables, or whatever, okay? Don't forget, activity 1, complete the page 46 on the book or on your notebook. Write the date, it's mandatory date, May 22nd, 2020. Second, you're going to write about a breakfast, a lunch, or a dinner that you are going to cook or you're going to prepare. Or, if you want to, you take your decision. Or you can create a recipe, or you can copy a recipe, a spectacular recipe that you like it. So that's your decision. Okay? Make a decision. Prepare breakfast, dinner, or lunch, or make your own recipe. Okay? And we're going to qualify not this. The evidence is not now, it's later in June, July, okay? June or July, you show me, okay? You say, this is my page and this is my, like my homework. No, please don't send evidence. Not yet, not in this moment, okay? This evidence or these evidences that we're gonna have is for the next bimester, not now. Now is finished, okay? Excellent. So this is teacher Jacob. Bye-bye, reading class. Bye-bye.